Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to poke someone on Facebook and see who has poked you on Facebook. So basically what you're going to want to do is make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded. Once you're on there on the home page, you're going to want to go ahead and click the bottom right hand corner with the three little lines there at the bottom. Click there and then you're going to want to scroll down on this menu because it's not actually a poke page anymore. On Facebook, so you can't. There isn't a direct poke page. To how you actually get to here on your phone is by clicking the Help and Support button. Then you're going to want to click Help Center, and then it's going to bring up this page here. You're going to want to click in Search, and then you're going to want to click Poke or type Poke in, and then at the top one there, how do I poke someone on Facebook? Click on there. And it's going to bring up this Help Center article here, and you can see in the middle there it says to see and send pokes, visit your pokes page. It's going to have a link there. You're going to want to click on that link, and then I'll put up on screen now what it looks like if someone's poked you, and also how you poke someone. Obviously click that poke button, and then as soon as you send that, it's going to poke them on Facebook, and that's it. That's how you do it. Leave a like on the video if that did help out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the links to the other videos on screen. That's it for now. See you in the next video.